Before you start working, you can adjust the steering column to your height. Make sure to turn the button on before starting the engine. For your own safety, wear ear protection. Increase the engine speed and set the depth of the agitator so it stirs the soil thoroughly and levels it nicely. There are 6 depth settings. The agitator has 2 speeds, slow and fast. When preparing the soil, it can be set to the high speed and on a deep setting. Keep the clutch engaged to operate the machine. Distribute the seeds evenly across the entire width of the hopper. For seeding, it's best not to set the agitator too deep, preferably to setting 2, and select the slow speed of the agitator. Activate the seed distribution.